According to the search engine Google, internet censorship is the control or suppression of what can be accessed, published, or viewed on the internet enacted by regulators or by their own initiative. Finding links to support my claims about the benefits and drawbacks of internet censorship exposed me to how fortunate I am to be living in a country where our rights of freedom of speech and expression are protected, even being applied to the internet. Today, Egypt is leading the pack across the Middle East in implementing internet censorship. Leaders would not want the negative outside influences to contaminate their people. Though social media may be blocked in the process, the government is looking out for the people in their best interest, not be influenced by propaganda that may harm them. When looking at the issue of censorship given in this context, it makes sense to an extent. The positive impact of censorship, of unlawful propaganda or malicious behavior against the government is justifiable to protect the people living in those countries. However, citizens of countries where freedom of speech and expression is implemented into their everyday life, with the government promoting self-expression of diverse ideals, the idea of internet censorship is seen as an unjustifiable act. The stance I have on this subject is subject to the area which censorship is implemented. Countries in the Middle East use IP address blocking and block TCP packets. IP-based protocols such as HTTP, the communication protocol for transmitting linked documents between computers, shares a host server. TCP enables two hosts to establish a connection and exchange streams of data. TCP packets for keywords and search engines would be blocked in the process. To an extent, censorship can be implemented in the United States in a greater fashion to prevent minors from being exposed to material that's not right for them. On the other hand, some methods may seem extreme. However, the material is meant to protect their citizens.